Stage is all set for the 56th GST Council meeting that will take place in the national capital today. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will be chairing the two-day session. Sources say reforms will be rolled out around Diwali this time. Lower taxes on essential goods and relief for local vendors, even for consumers. That's something that's on the cards. On the table, big-ticket GST reforms, rationalization of rates, cutting down of slabs, simplifying the compliance process. The government says the focus is very clear. They want structural reforms, they want rationalization of rates and ease of living. So these are the three things that the government very closely is looking at the moment. All of this is part of building Atmanirbhar Bharat and making GST a more simpler, more transparent tax system for inclusive growth. Prime Minister Modi clearly said these are the next generation GST reforms. Now this is something that he said in his Independence Day address. He promised relief to the common man, to the farmers, the MSMEs and of course to the middle class.
साथियों, इस दिवाली में आपकी डबल दिवाली का काम मैं करने वाला हूं। इस दिवाली में आपको एक बहुत बड़ा तोहफा देशवासियों को मिलने वाला है। पिछले 8 साल से हमने जीएसटी का बहुत बड़ा रिफॉर्म किया। पूरे देश में टैक्स के बर्डन को कम किया, टैक्स की व्यवस्थाओं को सरल किया और 8 साल के बाद समय की मांग है कि हम एक बार उसको रिव्यू करें। हमने एक हाई पावर कमेटी को बिठा करके रिव्यू शुरू किया, राज्यों से भी विचार विमर्श किया और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, हम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लेकर के आ रहे हैं। ये दिवाली के अंदर आपके लिए तोहफा बन जाएंगे। सामान्य मानवीय की जरूरतों के टैक्स भारी मात्रा में कम कर दिए जाएंगे। बहुत बड़ी सुविधा बढ़ेगी। हमारे एमएसएमई, हमारे लघु उद्यमी, इनको बहुत बड़ा लाभ मिलेगा। रोजमर्रा की चीजें बहुत सस्ती हो जाएगी और उससे इकोनॉमी को भी एक नया बल मिलने वाला है।
Now let me tell you why this meeting is extremely essential for you and I. Items that are likely to attract nil GST. Everyday food items, milk, packaged paneer, pizza bread, khakra, chapati, roti, parathas, the parotha, all of them will be exempted. That's what we are understanding from the government, which means that your budget will now get some kind of a relief. When we speak about education, then educational items like maps, atlases, wall maps, globes, printed educational charts, pencil sharpeners, pencils, crayons, now chalk, drawing board, graphics, lab notebooks. Government sources have told India Today all these things will now have nil GST, which means that these also will now become cheaper. That's exactly what the government is also promising, that those items that you and I use in our daily life, those items are all set to get cheaper. What will likely get cheaper? From 12% down to 5%. Butter, condensed milk, jams, namkeens, dates, nuts, mushrooms. All these things that we eat almost on a daily basis, they are also all set to get cheaper. Down from 18% to 5%. Chocolates with cocoa, cereal flakes, pastries, ice creams, those are also things which will now, the prices of these things will come down and all this will happen near Diwali. Slash to 5%, cotton, wool man-made, fiber, fabrics, apparel, hosiery, blended textiles, fertilizers also. So this means that the clothes will also be all set to get cheaper. So that's what the government is looking at the moment.